Are you sick of being exhausted and fatigued, feeling hopeless, leaving you frustrated into depression? Is chronic illness, aches, and pains part of your everyday life? Do you have digestive problems? Have you tried to get help, but it's not working? You have sought many resources, but you never find a viable solution. Many people struggle most of their adult life with chronic issues. I know what it's like to be in constant pain and depressed. Every time I would set goals to change my life for better, I would end up failing by self sabotaging, feeling stupid, and thinking I was a big loser. My body would be exhausted, causing my health to go into a decline, feeling depressed with constant stomach issues. I had to take matters into my own hands. I took control and believing I could do it, and I did it. If this story sounds like you, there is hope, and we can take control and get our life back. I'm Julie Hiskett. I'm an intuitive healer. If you are looking for an alternative, join my Facebook group for exercises and tools on how to feel better. I'm here for you. Contact me. My information is down below, and I look forward to talking to you.